Hi, everybody. This is Joshua Baxter with AuctionSoft.com, and I'm going to go through a very quick demonstration of how easy it is to get set up and going with AuctionSoft. Now, first of all, we offer a online listing service. So anytime you create a sale with our system, you're going to be able to manage that sale, but you also get a free listing that you can upload pictures. So that's where we're starting. The auctioneers and the public will all come to this page to start. When you want to create an account in AuctionSoft to run, just like any other online service, you're going to create an account with your login and a password, go through the process of registering as an auctioneer. You'll give the system your name and your information about your company, so on and so forth. But let's assume that that's done for now, because I'm going to skip past that, and I'm going to assume for a second that that's all done. Once you log in after you create the account, you will see up at the top right, first of all, your name, and this is a sample customer, an auctioneer dashboard. So when you click on that, it'll immediately take you to this screen. Now, this screen, when you first log in, you always come to what is the overall account dashboard. So the first tab on the left is going to, you're going to see this, and we've got 2 sales set up. You're going to be able to see some statistics about that. If you have any sales in the past, you'll see the sales income of that of those auctions. But what we're going to do first is we're going to assume we just created an account. We're going to come down here to the My Company tab. You can upload pictures of your company, maybe your logo, whatever. Put all of the details in here, your email address, your website, address about your company location or PO box or whatever you want to do. But what I want to show you is basically how quick and easy it is to get set up and going. So under company rates and settings, you're going to go through the motions of setting your sales tax in your area if you have that. Are you going to use a buyer's premium? You would set that there and just click on the button and fill out the box with the appropriate rate. What kind of payments are you going to accept? Credit card? Are you taking checks? Are you doing anything like PayPal or Venmo or anything like that? You can set as many additional pay types as you like. Each one can have a surcharge that's different if you want to charge the customers for those conveniences. We also have built-in integration with Stripe and Authorize.net if you want to use those services. All right, once you get the payments done, under consigners, you're going to want to add a commission rate. You can add as many as you want, and you can make one default. The standard rate is going to be 35%. There's some other features in here where you can set certain things like a per item fee or no sale fees and things like that. And you can look at those in detail if you want, but at least set a commission rate. For online bidding, you're going to need to set up your increments. For example, if you want your bids to come in at $1 per increment or $5 or whatever it is, you can set a sliding scale there. Under notifications, our system communicates with your bidders. You can turn that off and on. I will tell you, everybody loves that service. Please leave it on. And then under other, you have the option of turning off and on the clerking grid total. So when your clerk is running, the clerking grid next to the auctioneer, do you want the staff to see that? Yes or no? So you can turn that off and on. I've got it set to on right now. Do you want to allow catalog entry at the clerking grid? So on and so forth. But basically, once you set these items in the system, you're ready to have an auction. So I'm going to come over here to the second tab and create or click on auctions. Now we have 2 future sales set up, and the system's broke down into 2 parts. Future sales, which we've got 2, or past sales, and I've got a demo sale created here. Under the past sales, you click this button and it brings you to the page that I call the cashier's window. This is where all of the functionality will happen when it's time to have the sale. But I'm going to end the video here, and if you would, just watch the next video on managing an event in AuctionSoft. Have a great day.